Fuel additives for high-performance cars enhance engine efficiency, prevent deposits, improve combustion, boost power, and maintain long-term engine health. My video today is about the top 5 best fuel additives for high-performance cars available in the market. If you want to know prices or get more information about the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Let's get started. Starting with our first product, Sta-Bil In-Season Protection Fuel Additive. The Sta-Bil Fuel System Cleaner is an essential additive for maintaining high-performance engines and ensuring long-term fuel system health. This advanced formula cleans the entire fuel system, including fuel injectors, lines, and pumps, effectively removing water, gum, and varnish to prevent clogs and corrosion. With industry-leading rust and corrosion protection, it safeguards internal components, extending engine life and reliability. Beyond protection, it acts as an MPG booster, optimizing fuel performance for more efficient combustion, enhanced power output, and improved gas mileage. Easy to use. Simply pour 1 ounce per 5 gallons of fuel directly into the tank before refueling. Sta-Bil's formula also offers year-round protection, pairing in-season treatment with storage solutions to keep engines and collector cars in peak condition during off-seasons. For prolonged storage, it stabilizes fuel, preventing degradation, ensuring your vehicle or equipment performs flawlessly whenever needed. A must-have for performance and longevity. Now, our second product is Lucas Oil 10013 Fuel Additive. The Lucas Fuel Additive is a powerful all-in-one solution for both gasoline and diesel engines, designed to clean, protect, and optimize performance. Acting as a tune-up in a bottle, it effectively treats fuel, improves MPG, and enhances engine efficiency. The formula cleans and lubricates the entire fuel system, including fuel injectors, carburetors, and combustion chambers, removing deposits that reduce performance over time, thereby neutralizing sulfur and other harmful contaminants. It prevents corrosion and buildup, ensuring longer-lasting pumps and injectors. Improved fuel flow and cleaner combustion help increase power and acceleration, while burning excess emissions enhances fuel economy and reduces environmental impact. Easy to use and highly effective, this additive is ideal for maintaining high-performance engines, extending engine life, and keeping vehicles running smoothly. It delivers optimized efficiency, protection, and reliability for both everyday driving and high-demand conditions. Our third product is Hot Shot's Secret Fuel Additive. The Everyday Diesel Treatment, EDT, is a premium additive designed to keep diesel engines running smoothly, efficiently, and reliably. Regular use improves overall engine performance, ensuring consistent power, better acceleration, and peace of mind on the road. Its advanced formula boosts cetane levels by up to 7 points, enhancing fuel economy while reducing maintenance costs and prolonging engine life. Functioning as a fuel injector cleaner, it removes internal and external deposits, improves fuel lubricity, and protects critical components such as pumps and injectors. Additionally, EDT prevents rust and corrosion by demulsifying moisture, stabilizing fuel, and preventing oxidation and degradation, safeguarding the entire fuel system. Easy to use. Simply add 1 to 2 ounces per 25 gallons of diesel at each fill-up. Scientifically engineered, this additive maximizes efficiency, extends equipment life, and ensures your diesel engine operates at peak performance under all conditions. A reliable choice for long-term engine health. Coming in at number 4, Ethanol Shield Fuel Additive. The new standard 2-cycle fuel additive sets a benchmark in engine protection and performance, combining antioxidants, anticorrosives, and advanced detergents to keep engines running smoothly. Its proprietary detergent formula reduces the need for higher-octane fuel as machines age, maintaining optimal combustion and efficiency over time. Designed with a phase separation inhibitor, it ensures that ethanol and gasoline remain properly blended, while helping bond 2-cycle oil to the fuel mixture for consistent lubrication. The combustion cool technology, CCT, dramatically slows fuel aging, preserving fuel quality and preventing deposits in the combustion chamber. This additive also provides upper cylinder lubrication, reducing wear and extending engine life, while protecting rubber and plastic components from deterioration caused by fuel and heat exposure. Ideal for chainsaws, motorcycles, scooters, and other two-cycle engines. It ensures reliable performance, smoother operation, and long-term engine health, making it an essential product for any high-performance two-stroke machine. And finally, our last choice is Hot Shot's secret everyday diesel treatment. The Everyday Diesel Treatment, EDT, is a high-performance additive engineered to keep diesel engines running smoothly, efficiently, and reliably. Designed for regular use, it enhances engine performance while maintaining optimal health, giving drivers peace of mind on every trip. Its advanced formula boosts cetane levels by up to 7 points, improving fuel economy, reducing maintenance costs, and eliminating issues like poor acceleration or frequent trips to the mechanic. Functioning as a fuel injector cleaner, EDT removes internal and external deposits while improving fuel lubricity, protecting critical components such as pumps and injectors, and extending engine longevity. It also prevents rust and corrosion by demulsifying moisture, stabilizing fuel, and preventing oxidation and degradation, ensuring the entire fuel system remains protected. Easy to use, simply add 1 to 2 ounces per 25 gallons of diesel at each fill-up. Scientifically formulated, EDT is a reliable solution for maximizing efficiency, durability, and long-term diesel engine performance. What do you think about this video? If it helped make your decision easier, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified of upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.